Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Ship Smart Hub. If you are a merchant looking to start or grow your online store, one of the best major decisions you will face is picking the right e-commerce platform. Whether you are based in India, the USA or anywhere else, choosing the platform that suits your business need is the key to your success. Today, we are going to walk through the top e-commerce platforms and what you should consider when choosing one. By the end of this video, you will be ready to make a decision. So let's get started. Before we dive into the platform themselves, let's talk about the factors that will help you choose the best one for your business. These are important no matter where you are based, whether in India or the US. Budget. How much can you spend monthly? Do you have a limited budget or you are ready to scale up quickly? Ease of use. Do you need something user friendly or do you have the technical skills to handle a platform that require more setup? Scalability. Does the platform grow with your business as you expand to new markets or increase your product range? Customization. How much control do you want over the looks and feature of your store? Payment options and transactions fee. Make sure the platform support payment methods popular in both India and US. Customer support. How easy is it to get help if you run into any issues? Do they offer 24/7 support? Integration. Does the platform works well with tools you already use like accounting, marketing or shipping apps? Now that we know the important factors, let's dive into the top e-commerce platforms that are popular in both India and the USA. We'll look at Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce and Wix. I will also mention some region specific points as we go. Let's kick things off with Shopify, which is one of the most popular e-commerce platform in both USA and India. Pros: easy to use even for beginners, tons of themes and customization option, greater customer support with 24/7 assistance. Shopify payments integrate well in the USA and India, but you will have to use only third-party gateways for some international payment. It supports multiple languages, so it's preferred if you are planning to sell globally. Cons: monthly plans start around $29 and you will pay transaction fees if you don't use Shopify payments. While you can customize the store, advanced customization needs coding skills. Who's it best for? If you wanted an all-in-one solution that easy to use and highly scalable, Shopify is a great option. It deals for merchants who wanted to expand internationally and whether in India or the USA. We have got WooCommerce, the plugin for WordPress. It's especially popular with small to medium-sized businesses in both India and the USA because of its flexibility. WooCommerce itself is free, but you will need hosting and a domain. You get full control over your store design and functionality. Massive library for plugins to extend features, great for customization. If you are familiar with the WordPress, it's very straightforward. It's ideal for businesses in India and USA looking for a low cost, highly customizable solutions. Cons: it requires more technical knowledge than Shopify or Wix. You will need to manage hosting, security, and updates yourself. It's best suited for businesses that have grown past the initial startup phase. Who's it best for? WooCommerce is best for the businesses that already uses WordPress and or need full control over their stores. It's a fantastic option if you wanted something cost effective and scalable but are okay with some technical work. Next up is BigCommerce, which offers a lots of built-in features for more advanced e-commerce businesses. Cons: no transaction fees even if you use third-party payment gateways. Robust features for selling on multiple channels like Amazon, eBay and Facebook. Great scalability options for growing businesses. Good customer support with 24/7 access. Works well for merchants in both the USA and India, especially those looking to scale up quickly. Cons: it has a steeper learning curve than Shopify, especially for beginners. Higher tiers plan may become necessary as you grow business. Limited design customization compared to Shopify. Who is best for? Big commerce is ideal for businesses that are scaling quickly and need more advanced features right from the start. If you are selling across multiple channels or have greater inventory needs, this could be greater fit. Finally, we have Wix, which is known for its easy to use website builder and affordable price. Prawns, very beginner friendly, no tech skills required. Affordable plans starting at around $23 per month. Tons of templates and design flexibility. Greater for small businesses in both India and the USA. Looking for a simple store with easy setup. Cons. Limited scalability might not be ideal for businesses that plan to grow rapidly. Fewer built-in feature compared to other platforms like Shopify. Limited payment gateway compared to Shopify or WooCommerce. Who it's best for? Wix is perfect for businesses or setups that needs an affordable, simple solutions. If you're starting out and need a straightforward, budget-friendly platform, Wix is a good option. So let's quickly recap the platform. Shopify, ideal for beginners and growing businesses that need an easy to use scalable platform whether in India or the USA. WooCommerce, perfect for those familiar with WordPress and looking for full control and customization at a low cost. BigCommerce, great for businesses looking to scale quickly with lots of built-in feature and multi-channel selling. Wix, best for small businesses or beginners who needs an affordable simple platform to get started. Each platform has its strength, so the right choice depends on the business goal, budget, and technical expertise. That's all for today. That's all for today's video. I hope this helped you get a better idea of which e-commerce platform might be right for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more e-commerce tips and insight. Drop a comment below with any questions or let me know which platform you are leaning towards. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.